हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? तुषार गज्जर, योर केमिस्ट्री मेंटोर। स्टूडेंट, चैप्टर नंबर 3 में पीरियोडिक टेबल में एक दूसरा टॉपिक भी है, टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्साइड. देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ द ऑक्साइड. એટલે કે 3 પ્રકારના ઓક્સાઇડ છે. कौन से? तो एसिडिक ऑक्साइड, बेसिक ऑक्साइड, न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड. तो सर किसको बोलेंगे एसिडिक ऑक्साइड? The oxide which react with the water and form a acid is known as a acidic oxide. એટલે કે જે ઓક્સાઇડ પાણી સાથે પ્રક્રિયા કરીને એસિડ બનાવે છે એને એસિડિક ઓક્સાઇડ કહે છે. નોન મેટલ ઓક્સાઇડ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ નોન એઝ અ એસિડિક ઓક્સાઇડ. એટલે કે અધાતુના ઓક્સાઇડ એ એસિડિક હોય છે. જસ્ટ સર એક એક્ઝામ્પલ દો. એક્ઝામ્પલ સો સિમ્પલ. कैल्शियम सॉरी नॉन मेटल है ना, N2O5 it is reacted with the water form HNO3. Cl2O7 reacted with the water HClO4. SO3 is reacted with the water form H2SO4. CO2 is reacted with the water form H2CO3. So this oxide is always known as a acidic oxide. Another example is basic oxide. So the oxide which reacted with the water and form a base is known as a basic oxide. Just even the example, metals oxide is always known as a basic oxide. सर मेटल कौन कौन से? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, कैल्शियम इज नोन एज अ मेटल. ओके, तो कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड इज रिएक्टेड विद द वाटर एंड फॉर्म अ CaOH twice. Magnesium oxide is reacted with the water, MgOH twice. You know very well, Na2O is reacted with the water and form a NaOH. K2O is also reacted with the water and form a KOH. So Na2O, Ka2O, BaO, KaO, there all the, and BaO is also reacted with the water and form a BaOH twice. એટલે કે એવું કહી શકાય કેલ્શિયમ ઓક્સાઇડ, મેગ્નેશિયમ ઓક્સાઇડ, સોડિયમ ઓક્સાઇડ, પોટેશિયમ ઓક્સાઇડ, બેરિયમ oxide. અહીંયા next oxide is known as amphoteric oxide. Student, amphoteric, that means ઉભય ગુણધર્મી oxide. The oxide which react with the acid as well as base, act as a acid as well as base. So just example of this, उसके example बहुत ध्यान में रखने हैं. Al2O3, ZNO, Sb2O3, also PbO2, SN, okay, oxide SNO is also known as a amphoteric oxide. So it is also known as a उभय गुणधर्मी oxide. And last one with student, neutral oxide. The oxide which not react with the acid and base is known as a neutral oxide. Simple, इसके example 4 है. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, CO, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, NOH2O and nitrous oxide. And what is the formula of the nitrous oxide? N2O. So student, ये भी नीट में कई बार पूछा गया. आई थिंक नीट 2020 में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, तो आप लोग इसकी तैयारी करना. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रॉम तुषार गज्जर एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक. ओके, बाय.